In this video, I'll show you the solution that why your channel is not showing in search. So, without further ado, let's get started the video. So, first of all, I wanted to clear that there is the three main reason that your channel is not showing in your search. What is the reason and what is the solution of that main problem? So let's start. The main reason is that you forget to add your channel keyword. What is the channel keyword and how we add to the channel? So first of all, you go to the corner right corner and click on your channel, and here you see YouTube Studio option, and click on that YouTube Studio option. So after clicking on that option, so there is a new window will be pop up. Here you can see the new window. Here you can see the setting option. Click on that setting option, so you will see the new window. So here is three options: general, channel, and upload default, permission, community agreement. So what we need to do click on the channel option. So here you can see here is the three option: basic info, advanced, and feature eligibility. So the basic info, click on that option, and here you can see the keywords. It is your channel keywords. Here you can see that I already added my channel keyword. My channel name is etc services, so you must edit that keyword. That is very important. So here you can see my channel is etc services, so I added that keyword etc service. So here I added the channel name, and I also added the keyword about my channel. So I'm providing the earning related and text, so I added a few keywords: how to earn money, and how to earn money in 2021. That is the first one reason. Make sure to that you added your channel keyword. The second main reason is that you forgot it to add your name on when you uploading the video, and you forgot it the name of your channel and title, description, and tag. So make sure to that you added your channel name in title, description, and tag. Make sure that you added your channel name and title, description, as well as an tag, and they will help your channel to show in search engine. The third and the last reason is that sometimes you search your channel name wrong. Sometimes you misspell some of your channel name. So I want to explain that the reason. For example, my channel name is etc services, so I'm here to search etc service and miss one alphabet, that is S. So what going to happen? So I'm going to search etc service. Here I search etc service and miss a spell of S. So here you can see there is my channel is not showing in search, so that is the main reason. So here we can write the correct name of my channel. So what is the correct name of my channel? Here I search etc services. As you can see, I wrote my channel name correctly. And first one option, I didn't write my channel name correct, so my channel is not showing in the search option. Here I write the channel name correctly, and my channel is now showing on search option. Here you can see in the first one option. If this video helped you, so make sure to subscribe my channel etc services. There I'm providing online earning services, tech related video, and many more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in next video.